Hi guys, welcome to ITPK. Today I'm going to guide you how we can add subscribe button watermark to our YouTube videos. Before proceeding, please make sure you have like and subscribe my channel and let me know in the comments if you need any assistance. So now let's go ahead and start this from the beginning. Okay, please go to youtube.com first in your any browser and make sure you are logged in with your channel email in the YouTube. Once you click on your profile button, click on view your channel. At view your channel page, please click on customize channel. Once you are at customize channel page and the URL for customize channel will be studio.youtube.com. On your computer or laptop screen, scroll this to the bottom, and in the bottom, you will find out video watermark. And this is saying that the watermark will appear on your videos in right hand corner of your video player here. So let's say I wanna remove this current watermark. Let's click on remove and I want to upload the watermark. Please note that an image that's 150 by 150 pixel is recommended. Use a PNG, GIF, no animation, BMP or JPEG file that's 1 MB or less. So let's go ahead and I already created the subscribe button watermark for my YouTube channel. Let's click on open. I'm done here. You can customize here as well, right? You can drag, drop, or if you want to crop this watermark, you can do it right away here. So I don't need to do that. It looks fine here. I have uploaded this watermark and now we have the option display time. When this watermark needs to be displayed on my videos. Do I want this at end of my video? Do I want a custom start time for this watermark or do I want this for my entire video? So as this tutorial is to explain you and verify with you. So I am selecting entire video. Let's publish this. And once this gets saved, changes are published. Go to channel. Let's go back to channel to verify this. And here, let's play any video. Let's say I want to play this video. Okay, I'll stop the video and you can see now here this watermark is showing on my channel, right? And if I click on this button or this watermark, this is taking directly to my channel. That's perfect. This works perfectly. And I am good with this subscribe button watermark. Only if I want to change the timing of this watermark, I can change it from here. So that's it about today's quality, to the point, and simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and also let me know in the comments what else you need. I will create videos on your required topics. Take care. Bye.